As we come to the end of this IATA-RAeS workshop, I'd just like to thank all of our speakers and delegates, both here in the room and those who've joined us online. Your insights, your questions, and your sharing of all your knowledge and research has really made this a really rich and valuable experience for everyone. I remember when we first started talking about this potential workshop, back not long after the previous one a year ago, I asked Nellie whether we were sure that there was really going to be enough progress in 12 months to justify, the content of a program for another day and a half. And it's really fantastic to see that we've had 2 really packed days, and it's really clear how much progress is being made in the research in this area and the development around contrail avoidance. So before we wrap up today, I just have a few practical items. Please, if you could take a moment to complete the feedback form. There's a QR code on the screens. Your comments really do help us to shape our events and ensure that we're delivering what you need from these kinds of forums. As you leave on your way out, if you could return your name badges at the registration desk so we can reuse them at future events. And please do make sure you take everything with you, including anything that you've got stored in the cloakroom upstairs. One final point, I actually had to step out of the sessions this morning because I was presenting to a community of practice that the professional engineering institutes in the UK have set up to talk about our journeys to net zero within our operations. And one of the messages that I was conveying to them was that we're pretty sure that our main source of Scope 3 emissions for the Royal Aeronautical Society is delegate travel to events. And I was explaining to them how hard we find it to quantify that because we have a form, an online form for people to tell us about how they've travelled to our events, but to be honest, the response rate is really very low. So I'm hoping that this audience, who are really invested in the environment and climate, will give us a much better response rate than usual. You'll find the link to the online form both in your joining instructions, and we'll send out an email after the event as well. So we would really very much appreciate it if you could tell us about how you've travelled here so that we can scope out some of our emissions. I also want to just take the opportunity to let you know about our upcoming RAeS Sustainability Week, which will be from Monday the 22nd to Friday the 26th of June. It will feature events, publications and various content focused on sustainability, including the RAeS Sustainability Summit, which will be coming back for a 2nd year. We'll be sending out some further information about that after the event. And I would like to thank our AV technicians, our events, communication, venue and catering teams for their support on the event. And finally, I'd also like to thank IATA and the Workshop Organising Committee, who we've had the pleasure of partnering with to run this workshop for 2 years now. It's really great to work with you and to bring experts from across the sector together to discuss this topic and share their insights. So for now, thank you once again for your time, for your expertise and for your engagement, whether that be in person or online, and I hope everyone has a wonderful evening.